Good morning, it's Wednesday, March 19th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. I'm in for your regular host, George Cholis. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases and halts before the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, as expected, the Fed cut 3/4 points yesterday, and what it did is it provided a great boost for the U.S. stock markets and the Canadian markets. The Dow closed up 400 points yesterday. Now, as a result, gold is down today. Gold is down sharply. Last I checked, it was down to $957, but I think that's just a short-term measure. I believe that gold will rally again over $1,000, but that's to be seen. Now, what I've got for you, I've got 7 great press releases for you. That's right, 7 great press releases for you, 6 from the resource sector. There's no fluff here. It's all great results coming out from the junior resource sector. So without any further ado, let's get started. First one I have for you is Nora Resources, trades on a TSX Venture under the symbol NOT. A lot of you know Noront because Noront has been a Bay Street darling this year. They've rocketed from 50 cents as high as $7.40. And the reason why is because they've got great properties. They've got their Double Eagle property, but that's not what we're reporting on today. We're reporting on their other property, their Windfall Lake property in Quebec. So Noront is definitely not a one-trick pony. We've got assays. They had assays from their Windfall property. They had drilled 15 holes, and they hit on one hole, which was hole NOT 07175. In total, they had drilled 221 meters in conjunction with crown pillar and hydrological studies. And what they hit 3.22 meter interval grading 143 grams per ton of gold. So very significant concentrations. It was over 3 meters, but 143 grams per ton of gold, very significant. The hole was drilled on the portion of the property held under the option from Nora Resources, which trades on a TSX Venture under the symbol MUG, and also Free West Resources, which trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol FWR. And disclaimer time, Noront, as you all know by now, is an AGORACOM client, as well as Free West, as I mentioned, which trades on the venture under the symbol FWR. Noront proposes to complete several short surface holes to confirm and better define the extent of the high-grade mineralization in the vicinity of the hole that I mentioned, which was NOT 07175. Before the halt, NOT was at $5.73, or sorry, during the halt, Noront was at $5.73. They're off their 52-week high of $7.42. Next one I have for you is Firestone Ventures, trades on TSX Venture under the symbol FV, and for our German friends on the Frankfurt under the symbol F5V. What we have from Firestone are results from the first 7 of 21 drill holes completed to date at the company's Torlon high-grade zinc-lead project situated in western Guatemala. Now, thus far, a total of 1,500 meters of the planned 3,700-meter 2008 drill campaign have been completed. Results I have for you are from hole TH0865, they've got 15.3 meters of 10% zinc and 2.6% lead, including 2.7 meters of 25.6% zinc and 5% lead. So big numbers there. Additionally, we've got hole number 70, 56.4 meters of 4.3% zinc and 1.8% lead. And finally, hole 71, we've got 11.8 meters of 8.3% zinc and 2.1% lead. Now, Firestone is a Canadian-based resource exploration and development company with zinc, gold, and uranium projects in Western Canada and Central America. And disclaimer time, once again, Firestone is an AGORACOM client, so make sure you do your due diligence. Next one I have for you. H2O Innovation 2000 Inc. Trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol HEO. They've got big news. They've announced that they've secured over $3 million in contracts. They've announced the signing of 4 new contracts for the municipal and industrial markets in Canada and the United States. These new contracts add slightly more than $3 million to the firm's backlog, which currently sits at $14.2 million. So they've, as I said, they've got a contract for $3 million, which brings their backlog up to $14.2 million. Big numbers, but you've got to question whether they can handle all this business. H2O's Alberta division, Sigma Environmental, has been awarded a contract by Prime West Energy to supply components and provide specialized on-site services for the installation of a water treatment system. Got a quote from the president and CEO, Frederick Dugry, which states, "The industrial market is currently experiencing significant growth in Western Canada. That is the main reason we acquired Sigma Environmental Solutions, Inc. in December '07. H2O's positioning strategy for this sector opens the door to many potential projects." H2O's U.S. subsidiary, Membrane Systems Inc., has also been awarded 2 new contracts for the design and manufacture of drinking water production units. H2O's mission is to develop, manufacture, and market innovative, environmentally friendly products intended for drinking water production, wastewater treatment, and industrial processes. They're last at 95 cents off their 52-week high of $2.05. Next one I have for you, Salazar Resources trades on the venture under the symbol SRL, and once again for our friends in Germany under the Frankfurt CCG. They've announced drill results from the recently discovered El Domo anomaly at their Capapamba project in Ecuador. Big numbers here. They've intercepted 12.4 meters at 3.62 grams per ton of gold, 51.7 grams per ton of silver, 1.2% copper, and 4.5% zinc. So great results over that 12.4 meter intercept. The company has planned a total of 8 drill holes on the El Domo anomaly as a follow-up to this discovery hole. The anomaly is the 13th identified in an area approximately 2 kilometers by 1 kilometer. Again, we've got another quote here from Freddie Salazar, President and CEO. The recent discovery at the El Domo anomaly, coupled with our ongoing geophysical and geochemical interpretation, is helping the company define what we now believe is a new VMS district within a regional epithermal vein system in western Ecuador. We will follow up on this discovery in the surrounding area with an aggressive and targeted drill program to further define the extent of this body at depth. Salazar Resources is a mineral resource company engaged in the exploration and development of new highly prospective areas of Ecuador. On to our next one. Loon Gold trades on a TSX Venture under the symbol LGC. They've announced new assay results from their Arizona gold project in Brazil. Great results coming from this company. We've got 17 meters at 2 grams per ton of gold. We've got 12 meters at 4 grams per ton of gold. We've got a big one here, 48 meters at 1.15 grams per ton of gold, which includes a higher concentration, which is 18 meters at 2.3 grams per ton of gold. Next one I have for you, 33 meters, 14.5 grams per ton of gold. So that's the big one there. Once again, 33 meters, which includes 14.54 grams per ton of gold, which includes a shorter intercept, 9 meters at 30 grams per ton of gold. Luna's CEO Tim Searcy comments, "We are very pleased with the drilling results from Tatajuba. The consistency of the mineralization combined with intercepts of higher grade material confirms our view that the gold potential of the Arizona region has been underestimated in the past. As we aggressively push the Piaba deposit towards development, we will continue exploring at Piaba, Tatajuba, and other satellite deposits on this project, as well as the 47,000 hectares of prospective ground that we have recently been awarded in the region." On to our next one. Osisko Exploration trades on TSX under the symbol OSK and under the Frankfurt under the symbol EWX. And in addition, this is being put out by Golden Valley Mines, trades on TSX Venture under the symbol GZZ. Osisko intersected 107 meters, averaging 1.47 grams per ton of gold at depth in Nora zone on Golden Valley Mines Malartic CHL property. So these are big numbers, big depth, 107 meter intersection, 1.47 grams per ton of gold. It's a new gold zone which shows the system is still open at 2.5 kilometers east of the main deposit. The historical drilling indicates a mineralized zone measuring at least 380 meters long, up to 260 meters wide, and the new drill hole indicates the zone is approximately 100 meters thick. And finally, we're on to our last one. Redhawk Resources trades on TSX Venture under the symbol RDK, and once again for our friends in Germany on the Frankfurt under the symbol QF7. Big numbers coming out of Redhawk, very significant copper intersection. Redhawk had intersected a high grade in breccia pipes, including 7.67% copper over 68 feet. So it's a big intercept and very high concentrations of copper. They've announced the first results of angle core drill holes in 2 breccia pipes as part of an ongoing 70,000-foot Phase 2 drill program at their Copper Creek project. The drill results include near-surface, higher-grade intervals such as 5.1% copper over 135 feet, and that includes the number that I'd mentioned to you earlier, which is 7.67% copper over 68 feet. So this is a very big intercept with very significant copper mineralization and copper percentages. In addition, they had also hit over another shorter span, 57 feet, 4% copper, and 3.3% copper over 138 feet. Redhawk is a Canadian-based resource exploration and development company with a primary focus on accelerated development of its advanced stage Copper Creek Copper Moly project in San Manuel, Arizona. The copper also has 2 gold-silver properties of merit in Nevada. They're last at 53 cents off their 52-week high of 79 cents. Now, that was a lot of news to absorb, but they're all great press releases, so they definitely merit your attention. Make sure you do your due diligence on all of them. And as I mentioned, 3 of them were AGORACOM clients, so keep that in mind. And that's a wrap for today. Make sure you're tuning in again tomorrow, and we've got more great press releases for you.